do anymore. And we can't do anything. And these cops and all, they have like parastats, okay? And we can't do it. He is not there anymore. And he's not going to come back. We want justice for my brother. And all these cops, whoever who's dealt with this case, we want them to be sued. Because even the forensic reports and all today we had come, they are supposed to give it to us. We had to come here to the police station and take it, and then they made us wait. And they didn't give us, and they didn't want to give us the post-mortem report. We wanted to do the burial and all. They didn't want to give us only the post-mortem report. They were like, no, wait. Yesterday we had gone to do the post-mortem report, until today they didn't give us. Yesterday whole day, and then today like we went, and then they made us wait there, and then they were simply calling us just to talk and just to bluff us, fool us, or what, manipulate it or change it or do a second report or what, I don't know what they were trying to do, because we didn't know anything. We came to know in the post-mortem report that he got injured on the eye, and we didn't know anything about it. And my brother, he didn't even tell us anything what happened when they took him inside. He didn't speak a word, because the cops and all, they told us, you stay out, you cannot come in. So he stayed out and he went in. So we don't know anything about what happened inside. We don't know anything, and he also didn't say a word. And the FIR post came on Instagram. He saw that when the FIR was supposed to come the next day, and they called him a day before. And then I think they must have done something to him when he was inside. That's why he was afraid of going the next day. He must have, and for three days continuously they said that you have to come. So he was like, I think he was afraid or traumatized, or I don't know, he couldn't take it and all. And plus social media also, they showed his face, and he didn't want anyone to know that we came to the police station. And then that FIR post came on Instagram, and then he came to know, everyone knows. And also he was humiliated inside the police station, and I don't know, he couldn't take it anymore. And everyone was like, his number was going viral, his number plate and everything was going viral. Please, the higher authorities, please take care of this matter. Please give justice to my brother, because this can happen to anyone. And he's such a sweet person. He doesn't even say anything bad to anyone. And this, what has happened, is like a big thing. It's like a big thing that happened to him, and we can't do anything.
Madam, it was mentioned on the postmortem report that there was internal injuries for him.
That we don't know anything what happened. We don't know anything what happened. Internal injuries, the cops only must have done something to him now, because the day before he was there only in the police station. What can we do? Directly he was sleeping. He got up at 2 o'clock. He was playing PUBG on his phone, and then my mom and my sister, they came back from the police station, and they were like, come Samuel, they are calling you, I think because of that garbage thing that happened yesterday, please come. He just kept his phone, because we thought we'll just give the fine and we'll come back. He kept his phone there, and they three of them went. Okay, and then over here he was kept for so long over here, and so we don't know anything.
What police told you regarding the gun? It was a gun, or it was what, something else?
What is that?
Regarding the gun, what was that like? It's a.
The cops didn't tell us anything.
Nothing.
They didn't tell us anything about it. We don't know. Also, we don't know anything about the gun. We don't know absolutely anything.
डेड बॉडी घेतात तुम्ही
फाल्यां तुम्ही आता जसे मेन्शन केले की जो मेरेन तुमकां जस्टीस मेळना, जो कोण व्हिडिओ काढलो तो अरेस्ट जायना, तो मेरेन तुम्ही बॉडी कस्टडीन घेवची ना म्हटलेले. सो रिगार्डिंग
we want this thing to end soon. We want this thing to close down soon as possible. That justice, that these cops and all are all suspended, and all this social media and all, everywhere where his face and all is all seen. We want them all to go down, because of that only all that. And that boy especially, who has begun all these things. That boy, Because of him only, how he just apologized over there. He said sorry, and still that boy aggravated the whole situation. And because of this boy, everything started, and everything ended because of the police station. And everything in between was because of social media.
तुम्ही डेड बॉडी घेता
डेड बॉडी
I'll talk to my lawyer regarding that, about the dead body. He will advise us.